Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to be unboxing, setting up and doing a review of the Heldenklang Microphone Stand with boom arm. So let's get started. So I have the box here and I'm just going to cut it open. A very big box, and it has some paper padding, and here's the actual microphone stand. Okay, so let's open this. We have some paperwork and the clip. Another clip here with a washer. So our little setup guide shows us exactly the steps to do it. Okay. The stand itself feels quite heavy, sturdy. Okay. On the bottom part we have 3 legs here. So I'm going to loosen this screw here and higher it. Let's tighten it. And flatten out the legs. Make sure this is tightened here and the 3 legs are sturdy. So we're going to higher the stand to the desired height and then tighten it. Make sure that it's properly tightened. Press down on it a little to make sure it's not slipping. Now we're going to attach the clip onto the boom arm. Just screwing it on clockwise. And you can adjust the boom arm by loosening this little lever here to position it in place. On the boom arm there's a little clip here which you would guide the cords through. That's this right here. There's an opening here for you to guide the cord through. Next, I'm going to attach a second clip. So I'm going to remove this piece and place this other washer here. And place this clip here, just turning it clockwise to tighten it. Now it's ready for the mic. Here is the hook for the cord. this is a setup with a standard microphone clip. Now I'm going to attach my Rode NT1 microphone with shock mount and pop filter to the boom arm. So I'm just removing this clip here. This washer. Now I'm going to attach the washer to this area of the shock mount. And then tighten that on here. Okay, so that's tightly on here. So now I'm going to reconnect the mic. Nice and tight, and then I'm going to readjust the pop filter directly in front of the mic. So now we're going to make sure that the boom arm with the mic attached to it is positioned directly over one of the legs of the tripod, just for extra support to make sure it doesn't topple over. Next, we are going to attach the cable. 3 openings here. I'll attach that to the mic, align everything, align the holes, and you should hear it snap. Okay, so I'm going to detach these clips here and run the cords through them. If the extra clip is not being used, you can use it to secure the boom arm in place. So there you have it, guys. The Heldenklang Microphone Stand with boom arm. If you'd like to see more unboxing, setup, and review videos, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.